Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to zip or unzip a file on Windows 10 and Windows 11. And if you get any value from this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. To zip or unzip a file, I recommend that you use either 7-zip or WinRAR as a file extraction software. In this video, I'll use 7-zip as an example, and you can get it from this webpage, which I'll have linked in my written guide, which will be the first link in this video's description, so you can go ahead and get it from there. But once you're on the 7-zip webpage, you can download the 64 or 32-bit version. I'm going to download the 64-bit version by clicking on download. And once the 7-zip file is downloaded, you can click on Open File to start the installation. Next, just click on Install. And once the installation is complete, you can just click on Close. Now, if you navigate to any zip file on your computer, if you right-click on this file, you'll see these new options. If you installed WinRAR, you'll see these options. And if you installed 7-zip, you'll see this option with all of these subcategories. And to extract the files in that zip file, I normally use the Extract To option, which will extract the files to a folder with the name that you see in those quotation marks. So to extract the files, just click on Extract To, and it'll then extract the files to a folder, like I said before. And if you open that folder, you'll see all of the files inside of that zip file. Now, if you wanted to zip a file or folder, you can select that file or folder and then right-click on it. And then you'll also see the 7-zip or WinRAR options listed again. In this example, I'll use the 7-zip option. And here, you'll find this option that says Add To with a file name in quotation marks, which means it'll add it to a 7-zip file in this case. Or you can also compress it to a normal zip file. So for this example, I'll just use the normal zip file and I'll click on Add To, and it'll then add that folder or files that you selected to a zip file. I do hope this guide's been helpful. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.